Maytag Centennial washers, especially models from 2015-2020, like MVWC 565FW and MVWC 555DW, often face sensing problems. These include failures in load size detection, where the washer cannot properly detect the weight of the laundry load. Another common issue is lid lock failures, indicated by error codes like F8E1. This prevents the lid from properly locking during wash cycles. Unbalanced load errors, shown as F7E1 error code, occur when the washer detects uneven weight distribution in the drum. These sensing issues prevent the washer from starting or completing wash cycles properly. We'll show you how to diagnose and fix them. Before attempting complex repairs, start with these basic checks to resolve common sensing issues. First, check that your washer is perfectly level. Use a bubble level against the sides and top to verify. Adjust the feet if necessary to prevent vibrations and sensing errors. Second, make sure you're not overloading the drum. Overloading can cause imbalance and prevent proper sensing. Follow the load guidelines in your manual for optimal performance. Third, ensure both hot and cold water hoses are securely connected to the back of the washer and the faucets. Loose connections can affect water pressure sensors. Fourth, unplug the washer from the electrical outlet for 1 to 2 minutes. This resets the control board and can clear minor electronic glitches in the sensing system. Finally, run a clean washer cycle without any laundry. This removes any debris or residue that might interfere with sensors and helps recalibrate the system. These basic checks and resets frequently resolve minor sensing problems without needing further repairs. Calibration resets the washer's sensors to factory defaults. This is crucial because the sensors learn and adapt over time, sometimes incorrectly. To recalibrate, first unplug the washer, then plug it back in. Immediately press the start, pause, and power buttons simultaneously for 3 to 5 seconds. The washer will run a diagnostic cycle, recalibrating the sensors. Repeat if needed. Lid lock failures are a common issue in Maytag Centennial washers, often caused by worn switches, misaligned latches, or debris buildup from repeated use. These failures can prevent the washer from starting cycles and may trigger error codes like F8E1. First, inspect the lid lock mechanism for any obstructions, damage, or misalignment. Open the lid and visually check the lock components. Next, clean the area around the lid lock with a damp cloth to remove any accumulated debris or residue that could interfere with operation. Then, ensure the lid is closing completely and properly engaging the lock mechanism. Test by attempting to open the lid during a cycle simulation. Finally, if you find visible damage to the lock or its components, consider replacing the lid lock assembly with a new one to restore functionality. Following these inspection and cleaning steps can resolve most lid lock issues and prevent future failures. When troubleshooting your Maytag Centennial washer, pay close attention to any error codes that appear on the display. These codes provide important clues about the source of the problem. Common error codes include F8E1, which indicates a lid lock issue, and F7E1, which points to an unbalanced load. To understand what each code means and get specific troubleshooting steps, consult your user manual or visit Whirlpool's website. These resources will guide you through the appropriate fixes. In many cases, the recommended steps involve replacing specific parts, such as the lid lock switch. The wiring diagram shows how this component connects to the washer's system. Newer Maytag Centennial models from 2024 and later include IoT features for smart diagnostics. Download the Whirlpool app on your smartphone to access these advanced features. The app connects to your IoT-enabled washer for remote monitoring and troubleshooting. Once connected, the app can run automated tests to diagnose load sensing problems and other issues. It guides you through recalibration steps and suggests potential fixes based on the results. This smart technology can help resolve issues without calling a technician, saving time and money. If basic troubleshooting and calibration fail, the problem might be more complex. Issues like a faulty pressure transducer, control board malfunction, or wiring problems require professional diagnosis. Contact a qualified appliance repair technician for assistance. Attempting to fix these issues yourself could cause further damage or void your warranty. Prevent future sensing issues in your Maytag Centennial washer by following these essential maintenance practices. First, avoid overloading the washer. Overloading can cause unbalanced loads that confuse the sensors and lead to calibration drift over time. Regularly clean the lint filter to prevent clogs. A clogged filter can impair load sensing accuracy and disrupt proper water flow, leading to sensing errors. Clean the dispenser drawers regularly to remove detergent and fabric softener residue. Buildup can interfere with proper distribution and affect sensor readings during cycles. Regularly inspect the water hoses for leaks. Water damage can harm the sensors and cause electrical faults that lead to sensing failures. Periodically run a clean washer cycle with a washing machine cleaner. This removes internal buildup and helps maintain optimal sensor accuracy for long-term performance. By following these maintenance steps, you'll prevent sensing issues and ensure your Maytag Centennial washer performs optimally for years to come.